Second Roblox story was new. Voices, I wanna try them. Out!
Help! What should we play today? I like fun games. But, I know. Let's play Adopt Me. Heat. Who's that? I'm gonna try to make friends with him or her. Oh, is that her by there? I'm gonna approach her for luck to be friends. Here I go.
Who are you? Why are you so slow at moving and spawning? Clown face.
Excuse me. I am not in clown face, and I just have bad internet connection.
You've got McDonald's with fries.
Shut the up.
Did you just swear at me?
Yes, I did.
What's your name?
Tiffany. What's yours, you little?
My name is Evelyn. Or call my Brittany. Only for Yai.
Okay.
Join my group chat.
OFC Brittany.
Oh, and one more effing. Don't call me Brittany when we're in the group chat. Just call me if only I can.
Okay.
Tiffy Taffy Tiffany Zhaolung 99 has been added by Evix Lidlin.
Woof 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 woof. Bark 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 zaddy sadly zaddy zaddy zaddy. Daddy 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 zaddy 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 zaddy.
It's okay. I'm stuck here anyway, 'cause you're too close to me.
Zaddy 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 zaddy.
I'm
Zaddy 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 zaddy.
I don't know.
Zaddy 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 zaddy.
I have to do this.
Zaddy 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 zaddy.
Woof 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 woof.
I'm Akira, or call me Akia.
Shelley at ease, my second is Sylvia.
I'm the Essentia. My real name is Sinivian.
I'm Liam. Liam stands for looks, intelligence, amazing, and millions. Also hot.
Can I add someone?
Sure,
Your
he's a
hot
hot
super
daddy.
daddy.
I will always be by your side.
Okay.
Part too soon?